Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to check your Facebook friends on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to check your Facebook friends, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser and here just search for Facebook. You just have to search for Facebook and you have to make sure that you're logged in with the same account for which you want to check your friends.